issued by the Department of Paranormal Anomalies Research. Please stand by for further instructions. A civil danger warning has been issued by the Department of Paranormal Anomalies Research. Do not look away from the screen and listen to this following message, as it might save your life. You may have noticed people randomly falling through the ground almost as if they no-clipped through it. Or you may have saw a random door that seemed out of place, as if someone randomly installed it there. Both of these ways can get you into a place called the Backrooms. Do not panic. You can't just randomly no-clip into them. You either have to hit the ground hard enough or do it intentionally. If you saw someone no-clip or a door that's completely out of place, immediately call your local law enforcement. We will be actively working with them. If you are somehow seeing this message from the Backrooms, do not worry, we have sent rescue teams to save anyone trapped in there. We will now shortly explain what the Backrooms are. The Backrooms has multiple levels. It isn't just a single place. Level 0 is where everyone ends up. It's an old, abandoned-looking office complex that appears to be infinite. You are completely alone in this level. Our only advice is to stay sane. We are unsure as to how these incidents are even happening. We assure you that we are already working on a solution. Stay tuned. This is all for now.